Congratulations. You passed the test. No interview. No background check. Just one decision. And now you're in. Starting package, $120,000 a year. $25,000 signing bonus. And performance bonuses that can reach $10,000, $50,000, even $100,000, depending on one thing: perfection. Welcome. You are now a cartel accountant. At first, it doesn't feel real. You're sitting in a quiet room, clean desk, closed windows, no noise. In front of you, a laptop. Next to it, a locked drawer. You open the laptop. Numbers. Rows and rows of numbers. Transactions. Transfers. Balances. At first glance, it feels like a dream job. High pay, low effort, no boss breathing down your neck. But then, you notice something. These numbers aren't normal. $250,000. Moved in seconds. $1.2 million. Split across 5 accounts. $3.8 million. Disappears completely. No invoices. No names. No explanations. Just movement. Fast. Silent. Precise. Because every number you see comes from somewhere dangerous. And now, it's your responsibility to make sure it all disappears. You take a breath. Your instructions were simple. No mistakes. That's it. No training, no explanation. Just 2 words that carry everything. You start working. At first, it feels easy. You've seen numbers before. You understand systems. But then, you notice patterns. Money never stays in one place. It moves every few hours. From one account to another to another. Sometimes across states. Sometimes across countries. $900,000 goes to Texas. $600,000 gets rerouted to Florida. Then suddenly, $1.5 million lands in a completely new account. It's like watching a puzzle. That never stops changing. Your job? Make sure every piece fits perfectly, because if it doesn't, you already know what happens. A message pops up on your screen. Status? Short. Cold. Direct. You type back. On track. You hesitate before hitting send. Then, click. A few seconds pass. No reply. You exhale. Silence. Is good. Silence means you're doing it right. Hours go by. You don't even notice time anymore. Just numbers. Checking, rechecking, verifying. Because here, being right once isn't enough. You have to be right. Every time. Your eyes start to burn. Your fingers slow down for a second. But then you remember. Your last bonus. $18,000 for one perfect week. You straighten up. Focus returns instantly. Because perfection pays. You hear footsteps outside. Your hands pause for a second, then continue. You're learning fast. Fear doesn't stop you anymore. It sharpens you. You double-check a transfer. Then again. Something feels off. $742,300. But the record says $742,800. A $500 difference. Tiny. Almost invisible. But here, small things matter. You zoom in. Look closer. There it is. A mismatch. You fix it. Immediately. Your heart beats faster. Because for a moment, you were close to losing everything. And in this world, there are no second chances. Another message appears. Good. Just one word. But it means everything. It means you're safe. For now, days pass. Or maybe weeks. It's hard to tell. Every day feels the same. You wake up, not to an alarm, but to responsibility. And money. Your account grows. $120,000 turns into $150,000. Bonuses hit randomly. $5,000. $12,000. $30,000. Money has never come this easy. But peace? That never comes. You sit at the desk, open the laptop and enter the system. More money, more movement, more pressure. Some days, it's small. $80,000 here, $120,000 there. Other days, $5 million in one night, and you're the one controlling it. But control is just an illusion, because one mistake and everything collapses. You don't go out much anymore. You don't talk to people. You don't share anything, because secrets are your life now. And trust doesn't exist here. Even your phone feels dangerous. Even your thoughts feel monitored. You start noticing changes in yourself. You think differently. You observe more. You calculate everything. Even when buying coffee, you think in numbers. One night, you stop. You lean back in your chair and ask yourself, how long can I do this? The money is insane. Your savings cross $300,000. You upgrade your apartment, buy better clothes, but you never show it, because attention is risk. The pressure never leaves. Even when you're not working, you're thinking, replaying numbers, checking possibilities, imagining what could go wrong. You wake up in the middle of the night just to remember if you verified a $2.1 million transfer. Sleep becomes lighter, silence becomes louder, and peace doesn't exist. You look at your reflection one day and realize something. You're not the same person anymore. You're sharper, faster, more precise, but also more anxious, more isolated, more trapped. Because deep down, you know the truth. This isn't just a job. It's a system, a closed loop. And once you're inside, there's no easy way out. You remember your old life. Small salary, normal stress, freedom. Now, you have money, but no freedom. Another notification. New transfer incoming, $3,400,000. You sit up straight, back to work. No hesitation, no emotion, just focus. Because that's how you survive. Not by being brave, but by being perfect. You fix the entries, balance the flow, secure the records. You split amounts, redirect funds, erase trails. Everything aligns. Again, perfect. You check it once more, then again. Because trust, even in yourself, is no longer enough. Finally, you stop. You close the laptop slowly. Room goes quiet. You sit there for a moment. No thoughts, just silence. Then one realization hits you. You survived today. And in this life, that's enough. Because tomorrow, it all starts again. Same desk, same numbers, same pressure, same fear, same rule. Don't make a mistake. Because this is your life now. No reset button, no exit. Only one path forward. Keep going, or lose everything. If you made it this far, comment below. No mistakes. And tell me, would you take this job for $100,000 plus a year? Subscribe for more intense POV stories like this.